Ikea. The group is known for its modernist designs for various types of appliances and furniture. And its interior design work is often associated with an eco-friendly simplicity. In addition, the firm is known for its attention to cost control, operational details, and continuous product development that has allowed Ikea to lower its prices by an average of 2 to 3%. The Ikea Group has a complex corporate structure, which members of the European Parliament have alleged was designed to avoid over €1 billion in tax payments over the 2009 to 2014 period. It is controlled by several foundations based in the Netherlands and Liechtenstein. INGKA Holding BV, based in the Netherlands, owns the Ikea Group, which takes care of the centers, retails, customer fulfillment, and all the other services related to Ikea products. At the same time, the Ikea brand is owned and managed by Inter Ikea Systems BV, based in the Netherlands, owned by Inter Ikea Holding BV. Inter Ikea Holding is also in charge of design, manufacturing and supply of Ikea products. Ikea Group is a franchisee that pays 3% of royalties to Inter Ikea Systems for purposes of accounting and taxation. The Ikea Group and the Inter Ikea Group claim that they are unrelated parties. However, they are both controlled by the Kamprad family and close associates of the family. As of March 2021, there are 378 Ikea stores operating in 30 countries, and in fiscal year 2018, €38.8 billion worth of Ikea goods were sold. All Ikea stores are operated under franchise from Inter Ikea Systems BV, most of which are operated by Ikea Group. Some of them are operated by other independent owners. The Ikea website contains about 12,000 products, and there were over 2.1 billion visitors to Ikea's websites in the year from September 2015 to August 2016. The group is responsible for approximately 1% of world commercial product wood consumption, making it one of the largest users of wood in the retail sector. In 1943, Ingvar Kamprad founded Ikea as a mail-order sales business, and began to sell furniture 5 years later. The first store was opened in Almhur, Småland, in 1958, under the name Mobile Ikea. The stores spread to other parts of Europe in the 1970s, with the first store outside Scandinavia opening in Switzerland, followed by West Germany. In 1973, the company's West German executives accidentally opened a store in Konstanz instead of Koblenz. Later that decade, stores opened in other parts of the world, such as Japan, Singapore and the Netherlands. The United States, Germany, with 53 stores, is Ikea's biggest market, followed by the United States, with 51 stores. The first Ikea store in Latin America opened on the 17th of February 2010 in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Ikea has announced that the opening of a 65,000 square meters store in Pasay, Philippines by the third or fourth quarter of 2021 is on track. Once opened, it will be the largest Ikea store in the world. In April 2021, Ikea opened its first store in Mexico City. Older Ikea stores are usually blue buildings with yellow accents. They are often designed in a one-way layout, leading customers counterclockwise along what Ikea calls the long natural way, designed to encourage the customer to see the store in its entirety. There are often shortcuts to other parts of the showroom. The sequence first involves going through the furniture showrooms, making note of selected items. The customer collects a shopping cart and proceeds to an open shelf, market hall, warehouse for smaller items. Visits the self-service furniture warehouse to collect previously noted showroom products in flat pack form. Sometimes, they are directed to collect products from an external warehouse on the same site or at a site nearby after purchase. Finally, customers pay for their products at a cash register. Not all furniture is stocked at the store level, such as particular sofa colors needing to be shipped from a warehouse to the customer's home or the store. Most stores follow the layout of having the showroom upstairs with the marketplace and self-service warehouse downstairs. Some stores are single level, while others have separate warehouses to allow more stock to be kept on site. Single-level stores are found predominantly in areas where the cost of land would be less than the cost of building a two-level store. Some stores have dual-level warehouses with machine-controlled silos to allow large quantities of stock to be accessed throughout the selling day. Most IKEA stores offer an as-is area at the end of the warehouse, just before the cash registers. Returned, damaged, and formerly showcased products are displayed here and sold with a significant discount, but also with a no returns policy. IKEA uses a sales technique called bulla bulla, in which a bunch of items are purposefully jumbled in bins to create the impression of volume, and therefore, inexpensiveness. Since 1958, every IKEA store includes a cafe that